An embattled law enforcement officer is leaving the profession. Fox 6 obtained a copy of Joseph Mensah's resignation letter filed with the Waukesha County Sheriff's Department. He's going to step down at the end of the month. Mensah wrote the decision is for his personal well-being and in the best interest of the community and the agency. Now, you may remember Mensah, he shot and killed 3 people in a span of 5 years while working as a police officer in Wauwatosa. Prosecutors did not charge him in any of those cases. A federal lawsuit for excessive use of force in the shooting death of Alvin Cole in 2020 ended in a mistrial last March. It is set to be retried in September.
We're getting new details. The man accused of shooting and killing a Milwaukee police officer and wounding his partner is heading to trial. 22-year-old Tremaine Jones, there he is on your screen because he was in court today. He's accused of killing Kendall Corridor and injuring his partner, Christopher McCrae. It happened last month near 25th and Garfield. A detective testified today that 911 callers and witnesses identified Jones as being involved. He also testified the gun used had Jones's fingerprint on it, as well as a receipt for the gun in Jones's name, and a backpack with Jones's IDs were found nearby. Jones's defense attorney said, given the high-profile case, fairness is a concern if it gets to trial.
Does Officer McCrae hear anything, hear any voices?
Yes, he stated he heard a voice.
He'll air the place out if he comes outside?
Yes.
And I always ask jurors to reserve that judgment until they hear what the actual evidence is in the courtroom, rather than just what they maybe read or see on television.
Jones is due back in court next month.
New tonight, it allegedly started as a plan to rob a well-known drug dealer that evolved into a high-profile kidnapping. Today, one of the men accused in that plot makes his first court appearance. Fox 6's Bria Jones is in the newsroom with his response when the court commissioner said there may have been plans to harm the boy.
Sam, Corey Williams said it was a lie when a court commissioner said he thought about harming the child. The criminal complaint says Williams admitted there were conversations between the other 2 people involved about whether or not to hurt the child. But Williams says he was just a driver and he only intended to rob the child's parents.